In the world of parenting, there is a place beyond that which is considered common sense. A place where an impulsive parent believes frightening a teenager with a chainsaw while they lie in the comfort of their own bed is hilarious. What you are about to witness is one father's attempt at using horror film satire to achieve the ultimate in terrified teenage comedy. You have just crossed over into the stupidity zone.
Yeah.
Nightmare Before Christmas.
What? What you mean? Like,
Halloween Nightmare Before Christmas.
it's
Right. Oh, wait, maybe we should just knock on the door.
yeah. Am I gonna come in? Oh. Can the cats come out really quick? Hello? Emma?
Film me.
Okay. Can the cats... What? Can the cats come... Can I let them out?
Oh, turn that off, Jakey.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
I think she's fine now.
Yeah.
She was laughing when she saw it.
I was the one that told her about it. She was like she
Oh,
she
you
didn't know.
You didn't know we were filming it?
No, I did. Like, I thought he had mommy's phone. I was like, why does he have it? And then I saw Marco Polo, and I was like, what's he doing?
Alright. She's good. I knew it would be funny afterwards.
Oh, okay. I knew it, and the way I was screaming was ridiculous. Like, I heard myself screaming, like, when I was doing it. Legitimately, I could not breathe, like, because I couldn't catch my breath because I was screaming. So I was kind of like just sitting here on my bed. I was like, what just happened?
What a sweet face. Shit. Alright.
It sounded like you were actually having a nervous breakdown.
That was funny.
It sounded like I was actually getting chased by an axe murderer.
What will he do next? This deranged daddy of dysfunction. This feather-brained father of foolishness. Itching powder and underwear. Cell phones suspended in jello molds. Demonic clown faces peering inside your bedroom window while you sleep. He will prank before he thinks. When you least expect it, he will come without mercy and without forethought. For the parent who can make their child cry and moments later laugh, wins at life inside the stupidity zone.